Jose and Apokita now more Holy Ghost Anointing Avenue. So he's all who tied this road. And not only the one way to his house, every corners, every link roads that lead to this, all the surroundings, he built it. Just look at my right here now. He built this road by my left, the same. So everywhere leading to his house, he built the road. Not only that he's building road. If I got a body like a young man, now Rosa, make a machine, make manpower to the youth. So if you are talking about Osumenyi Rosa, look at it. Oh man, that no, I'm doing it by mouth. Because something that we discover in this Osumenyi is that every road is tight and it's hardly built by individuals. And Marodeka, Holy Ghost Anointed, is contributing a lot to make sure that every road that belongs to Befa, the mama, oh no, I Befa, never now. Holy Ghost Anointed Avenue. Even the road that leads to where you will go to toilet is tight by people, individuals. It's not government. That's the one thing, amazing thing in this community. That's what we'll find out. And one of the people that are doing it is anointed. Say Holy Ghost Anointed. So this is his avenue. This road now leads to his house and many places that he built single-handedly. Okay, this man is a young man and he's doing it to his people. And this road now, where I am here, there's one man. We are going to go to his house and I will show you his house. He's doing this road. He's building every corner of this road single-handedly alone. I'm telling you. So this is something to emulate. This is where Anambra are leading. But when you come to road networks, what are individuals that are doing it single-handedly? I think last time we showed you people what Obi Kubana is doing to his people. Oba now everywhere they are constructing single-handedly. We have gone to Alo, we have gone to Nemi, we have gone to Adazinuku, we have gone to Agokore. When you go, those places, if you go there, you see link roads like this, tied roads with cutter, not anyhow. They will do it single-handedly. You know how much? Last time, the engineer who is building the Obi Kubana road told us that 1 kilometer of a road is 500 million, and some of you people are doubting it. Let me tell you, it's not a joke. If you try it, you will know. So this is beautiful, and here is Osumenyi Werozo Makachi. You want to go? No, call the ever Saramiri. If I've got some village, somebody village. And when we talk of so this is somebody village, people are thinking, people are just telling us, why are you calling it village? Man, this is somebody village, I'm telling you. And Hajiraka Fane develop, about government. This is where Igbo people are too much, guys. You want to go? Everywhere is tight, clean. And water. See, everywhere is tight in this town, guys. And all that. So that start comparing. People will be asking us, is it? You see? Just negodo obodo where mama. Just look at Lake Obodo Tobon no. Just look at this road. Look at this road now. Then look at this by my right, by my back, everywhere. Just look at how this Obodo where Dika Obodo Igbo. This is Osumenyi. This is village. This is someone village. And the secret of this beautiful rose you are seeing here now is this. Come, I want to show you people the name because if obuna name the name ya. In water, if obuna nwele look at it here. See the name here. Chief Dr. Fabian War. What I go? Igwe. In water now of Osumenyi, Igbo of Osumenyi, Ogaranya. That he's the one behind almost 90% of beautiful roads in Osumenyi because Osumenyi don't have bad roads. For that one is they don't have one bad road. Look at this. Even if you are going to toilet, your road to your toilet, only can you go toilet in the mall is tight. And the man, look at his residence. This is the private house in his village. I don't know who made this man to be angry that he vowed that there will be no bad road in Osumenyi. I don't know when he was small, someone he fight or he was riding machine or whatever. I don't know. I don't know the background, how he grew up that make him that annoyed him, that made him to be angry that he now swear that in his community there will be no bad road. In Aota, he has already built a legacy that even if the next 100 years to come, his name will remain because Nenu's on 1 inch, 1 kilometer of a road. Do you know how much it costs? I think you know now. This is his house. This is his beautiful mansion in his village. He based in Abuja. In Aota, he's a real estate guru. In Aota, and definitely, Creative Law TV, we are going to meet him so that he will tell us the reason why he's building roads without even collecting a dime from government.
While life direct in Utuh, Newe South, local government of Anambra State. You know, after Osumenyi, after Utuh, you get Osumenyi. They are just neighboring, you know, towns. They are just close communities. You want to go? And this is Utuh. It's just a street in Utuh. So it's not like this is not main road in Utuh, but this is just a street inside village on Utuh. And there's one special thing about I would like to tell you people. You know, when you come to People's Club of Nigeria International, I can tell you that people that make up of that club, people that enter that club that have the population in that club, first people is Utuh, followed by Amish. If you listen to Oliver the Kokwe song, you will hear Utuh, Utuh, Amish, Utuh, Utuh. Like there are plenty. You want to go? And today we are just coming from Osumenyi and we decided to stop on Utuh to just list the name of those people that are from Utuh, those people that made waves, that made old money, that created an impact, that made unfinishable money in their generation, and their children are still eating the money up to today. The names are just here. I just list all of them. All the names here are people that is from this town Utuh, and this is the name. Just listen very carefully and listen to the title names. Okay, title, bros kita. The time will be say person go answer name and take chieftaincy title, you go come cap for the person. Or bros now, somebody will just wake up and answer akana okulora or okpatezora. Person never even feed well. The answer okpatezora. It doesn't make sense. Person will just come and say akuruno. Onya arube uno na village. Only way from a village now, it doesn't make sense. But that time, when you hear somebody like Iche saying, if just listen to name, somebody like this Iche saying of Umoji, yeah, Zamzam. What I go? Just listen to name. That man constructed road in Umoji as of 1970. But anyway, I'm not talking about Umoji, I'm talking about Utuh. So these are the names. Listen and listen to the chief's title. The first one is Chief E.N. Okonkwo. Ukpaka the arrow the Namado one of Utuh. In the year name, just listen to the Chief E.N. Okonkwo. Ukpaka the arrow the Namado one of Utuh. Ahabiha. Somebody Zarafa. Onye Utuh. Onye father na People's Club. Obro no member no father. Ndogriga wana wande patale gumboche. Arrow the Namado one of Utuh. The second one is Chief Nicholas C. Okonkwo. Ochilozwa one of Utuh. Ochilozwa one of Utuh. That name alone, Ochilozwa one of Utuh. most of them are late. You want to go? Let's proceed. The third person is Chief Bartholomew Ilechuku Akweke one of Utuh. That is his name. If you listen to Oliver keep mentioning father. Okay. The fourth one is Chief Augustine C. Okeke Okpoko Nwakibea one of Utuh. Oliver the too much. The way Oliver will mention it, you will fall in love to the song. People, father, people's club, you go there, enjoy them. Okay, another person is all these people are from Utuh for your information to show you or to have the population in Lagos and otherwise. Okay, we come another person, Chief Emmanuel Obiekwe, the Aro Dinigwe, one of Utuh. In Anoafa, Aro Dinigwe. Just check the meaning. The Aro Dinigwe, one of Utuh. Let me just tell you something. This generation know the answer name that befit their attitude, what they do. You know, sometimes before they will give you this chief title like Omenife, or Bate Fade. If they you know, oh, if you what you have proven to the people, to your area, to your colleague, to your to the social gathering, to your community. So, by the way, another one is Chief Israel Egwong Oba one of Utuh. Let's just go. Chief John A. Okonkwo Iche Okosisi one of Utuh. Chief H.O. Oji Akudnobi one of Utuh. He's the man. We are just coming out from his place. He's not around. He's not in town currently. He's the chairman, the CEO of Eastern Transit. You know the transport company. He's the chairman there, and he's the owner. So we went to visit, but he's not around. So he's still alive, bubbling. What we heard is 70-something years old. So, but that's by the way. So he's from Utuh. These are the people that make up a People's Club of Nigeria. So when we proceed, we will go and meet Chief Kasmaya Ogbefi Eze Nwachinemelu one of Utuh. Chief Kasmaya Ogbefi Eze Nwachinemelu one of Utuh. Yeah, go and listen to Oliver the Coco. You go hear all this name. Nwachinemelu of Utuh. Okay, the last one is Chief Francis Moma Isieke of Utuh. And one interesting thing about these names, these people, like this man you hear, Chief Francis Moma Isieke of Utuh. When you go to his house, you must see Isieke. He will design his house as Isieke or put Isieke somewhere, as you know, that is what he represents. You want to go? That is what to show you. That's when chief title is chief title. Bro, kita. We binoche, imenwifoche. They are not chigesa. He maybe say alpha. You want to go? These are the people that make up a People's Club, and Utuh people are mainly in People's Club. They are 90% of their social club is the People's Club of Nigeria. Those old fathers, they were in People's Club of Nigeria. And you talk about Amish people too are they are competing. They have the most population in People's Club of Nigeria.
Well, I direct in Mbaukwu in Awka South local government of Anambra State. So which means we are still in Anambra State. Understand? From Osumenyi to Utuh, from Utuh to Mbaukwu. Imarifa Banuzerika. From Newe, I got from Nobi to Nenio to Oruku, then Adazinuku Adazane. Now here I got from Anise. Currently we are in Mbaukwu. Do you know who will come to visit? We come to visit our living legend. That is His Royal Majesty Igwe Peter Anugu Igwe Kiigwe Ezekeze OFR Igwe Amosu. You know what? Madukibia is a living legend. So everybody know about Junction Nejenabia. You know what? So here this is the road, Igwe Road in Mbaukwu, and we're here to meet him and then show you around of Mbaukwu. Understand? We are going to show you around of Mbaukwu and show people, you know, Mbaukwu. The name of Karena, like all the cars in Mbaukwu now, about Alpha Mbaukwu. You know what? Obodo. Oh here, Igwe has when I was like Igwe Kiigwe Ezekeze. He's a living legend. Like I say, this OFR is a living legend. And not alone, we are here to show you around of Mbaukwu and tour many places that even some Mbaukwu who are in abroad, you know, let me just tell you one thing about our video. Some of our like fans who are outside have never visited like their village for a while. Like about Boboda, more than 10 years, 15 years. But from our video that we see around their town. I'm not looking at that kind of thing. So there are many things. This house here belongs to Deputy Governor of Anambra State. He's from Mbaukwu. And where we are currently, the road is Ibezim Ancestral Road, built by the Deputy Governor of Anambra State. And a lot of prominent people, a lot of dignitaries, like when we talk of personalities, they came from this town, Mbaukwu. Do you understand? And not this man, not that this man just built a road leading to his house. So I tell you, he built many places. When we talk of Anambra State, you cannot talk about Governor Soludo without his deputy. And Mbaukwu is very beautiful. I tell you, just look at surrounding. This is somebody's village. I'm telling you honestly. Just look around. You know, you will go to the other town and you think the other people are doing more better. When you come to village, you think the other village is better. And then when you compare this village to another village, people will say, don't compare them, we are all Igbos. Yes, even if you are in a market now, they will say, like you will be seeing people saying that this person is doing well and you want to do like that people or that person. Everybody know Mbaukwu is doing well. We went to Osumenyi the other time. We went to Abreba. If I need Igbo, yes. But if I you can say, okay, then make this is healthy competition. Without competition, there will be no progress. Yes, you will look at your brother that's doing well. You want to emulate your brother. Do you understand? Just look around. This is somebody's village. Do you understand? Let's go. Let's just turn Mbaukwu. Let's show you around. I'm telling you, the person that consulted this role is Deputy Governor. And Abraham Ekuboku, government in the Southeast, Anambra State Governor, and his deputy are doing well. And other people, you know, government have Brofonia. So Anambra is doing well currently. So then, everybody know about Mbaukwu. And everybody know about junction now. This junction here, okay, this is Deputy Governor's house. This place, this road, this avenue belongs to current Bishop of Akabz. Let's go around. Let's go. So here, the Bishop of Akabz come from this town. Do you understand? And this is his house. Imagine, brother, develop Mando Kochiku Nemeko. Every area Ali Igbo. So Mandu Kochukwu, if I know the Bishop Akabz, this is his private residence. All around Befa, Neno Budon, the flower. He food the avenue, he food the street. Very nice. This is not his house in Okao or anywhere or in Jare. This is village Mbaukwu in Anambra State. Then you know. Even if I need to Ojembe Nwelo. So upon I may review. If I want the gate, this is the entrance to this mansion. Look at it. This house belongs to this one. So Bishop Alexander C. Ibezim. Okay, one deputy governor. You got to go because before you deputy governor, before a mayor deputy. Anambra State. Before you brought bishop, which means now Ife sinabefa we bido. Amam kina wata na organize sinachi ada zezazo nenu compound. Okay, can we say now ebabo this is Ibezim family. And you wata go man bia Mbaukwu now without Ibezim people. Iyeku makafa maka no diriz. You na wata. So, so let's go and show you people around. So here now is Bishop side. Okay, by Abatana, now junction may lead to other places built by the deputy governor. Jaba, but if I maybe if you go up away giving na kine so mo I can qualify. Don't cut. Eba kitabo Good Names Junction. So Mbaukwu, this is Good Name Junction Mbaukwu, and this is one of the wonderful junction they have here. Here now leads to Umaolo. Yeah? Then here now lead to Nise. Then at my back is connected to Oka. Do you understand? But here is someone village, but it's very beautiful. But let me show you something. Come and show them this. You see this road here now? It's constructed by an individual from Umaolo. Look at it here. Chief Humphrey Okeke Road. It's built by somebody. Ofonye Jiraka were lawyer. From Eba Road Befa, Ocheroka government, because before you will do like this. You have to suffer before. Even our grandmothers who always come to Mbaukwu to sell markets. They can't even come because of bad roads. Somebody single-handedly built this road to his village. This is me say. So, Oye Rosa Kitabo, they can swear about Chief Humphrey Okeke, he can go Maolo Ogaranya. So, oh, Alpha, oh, yeah, about the latest. You can't come to my so phone your governor. Wait, let me do it. The next bus stop is Oma. If you fair in there, Igbo Kara. So, another community without any government help. Also, because you are telling America, you will be a teacher. I don't know what you Makachi. Oh, no, let me feel so. How much
And we are live at the right in Ifite-Dunu. When you look at here, you say Ifite-Dunu Junction. And Ifite-Dunu is in Dunu Kofa local government of Anambra State. So we are here to tell the story of this town. Ifite-Dunu is a town that a lot of prominent people are from. A lot of prominent people are from here. And we are going to go to their places one by one and show you their houses and what they are doing for their people. And when you talk about Ifite-Dunu, you talk about Peace Square. You know, Peace Squares are from this town. We are going to show you their home, their mansion, and what they are doing for its people. And when you come to Ifite-Dunu, you talk about Ben Akabz. He's honorable. That man is doing wonders in this town, constructing all the road in this town, doing all the street lights, schools, hospitals, everything in this town. The man called Ben Akabz is doing wonders in this town. And his people are happy for him. And when we are here also, we talk about somebody, one of the early bishops in Nigeria, Most Reverend Dr. Mary Paul Okoye. He's from this town Ifite-Dunu. He was the one that brought St. Mary's Secondary School in this town. The man was a great man, a legend. And we can't come to this town and not talk about him. And a lot of other people. We are going to tour this town with you. So just follow me. Let's go. You know this town now. Yeah? In Dunu Kofa local government of Anambra State. Let's go and show them around, man. This bishop is one of the first bishops in Igbo land in the whole Nigeria. His name is Most Reverend Dr. Godfrey Mary Paul Okoye. He was one of the early bishops in this town. He was bishop of Port Harcourt and bishop of Enugu Diocese. He was the first bishop in Port Harcourt. First bishop. And there's one amazing thing about this man. One amazing thing about this man, this bishop you are seeing like this. He was a very strong believer of Christ and also a very believer and supporter of Biafra. This man you are looking at like this. During the Biafra Civil War, this bishop supported the Biafran side. He stood his ground. He supported with everything in him to the extent that his priest, the reverend fathers under him was scared, was afraid that he will cause problem for them. That is to show you how he loves our culture, how he loves Igbos, how he loves his people. We are currently in St. Mary's High School, Ifite-Dunu. And this school, he was the animator, the initiator, the one who started it. This man we are talking about. He was born in 1913. This man was a great man, and he's from this town, Ifite-Dunu. He's the son of the soil. And a lot of you don't know about him. And today, Creative Motive are bringing it to you live and direct. This man supported Biafra so much. This man you are looking at like this. As a bishop he supported Biafran, he supported Igbo side, he supported anything Igbos. Everything about Igbo suits him so much. He loves everything about us, about his people. That is why he struggled to bring this school in this town. And that time, Ifite and Utuh was just the same. This man is a great man. He's a legend. You can't come to this town without talking about this man. When you just go to Google, type about Godfrey Mary Paul Okoye, you will see this bishop, everything about him. He was a great man. And you can't talk about great men in Igbo without talking about him. He fought, he stood, and he did everything possible for us. So he's a great man, and we need to talk about him. Guys, now where we are right now is the residence of Ben Akabz, who is from this town, Ifite-Dunu, who is the son of the soil, who is doing massively well for his people, who is one of the pioneer of Akuruno for what he's doing for his people by constructing roads, by putting water, street lights everywhere, for building a lot of things for his people. We are going to go one by one to what he's building for his people and use your eyes to see. This is his home. This is his residence, his private home. You want to go? This man I'm talking about, they call him Ben Akabz. A lot of you guys don't know him, but let me just tell you who this man is so that you will know the profile of the man I'm talking about. I will read it out for you. This man we are talking about is Ben Akabz. He's a Nigerian chartered accountant and the former Director General of the Budget Office of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He served as the CEO of NA Bank PLC, now Stanley Bank PLC, and was for over 2 terms Commissioner for Economic Planning and Budget with the Lagos State Government. This man we are talking about was Director General of the Budget of Office of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in office 2016 to 2024, preceded by Tijani Mohammed Abdullahi, succeeded by Tami Yakubu Kofi, and Commissioner for Economic Planning and Budget for Lagos State in office 2007-2015. And this man is a chartered accountant, a son of the soul of this town. And not only that, he has served for in the government sector, but he is doing massively well for his people by making sure that all the road in his community is tied, by making sure that his community have light, by making sure that he brought all the things he's seen in Lagos to his home, his village. This is Ifite-Dunu in Dunu Kofa local government, Anambra State, and this is one of the pioneer of Akorono, one of the campaigner, or how I go even put them, of Akorono, and they might find a promote of Akorono or Beabifa, and if on the money Bode Erika, without government money, his own personal money. So let's go and see what he's doing for his people.